guys, we're gonna open Series 6 as surprise animals, so let's check it out. This is the red. The ducky! Oh my god, look at how cute that is.
This is Pixley the platypus, one of the cutest. Birthday is April 27th, and his favorite color is chestnut brown. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, look at that. Look at the little tag, Eric.
Oh my god.
It says there's over 100 of them.
So this is the flyer, and Pixley is rare.
Look how rare one.
Yeah, so let's open the next ones.
The next one.
I like the containers too. They're really pretty. They're like marbleized.
Now I'm cute.
That is Piper, and Piper is common. Let's see when Piper's birthday is and stuff. Can I see it for a second?
23.
Let's see. June 23rd, and it's Piper the penguin. Loves to swim in the ocean, and the favorite color is magenta.
Magenta.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
Here's a little flyer.
So cute. This is Pete the pufferfish, and Pete the pufferfish is an excellent swimmer. Birthday is January 7th, and favorite color is electric blue.
Oh my god. He's so cute.
Which one's your favorite? I like them all. They're all really cute. They're really cute. Pete the pufferfish is rare. You have 2 rare and 1 common. How cool is that?
That's so cool. Wait a second. There's one missing. Where is it? Oh my god, he's back inside the box. You can also store the little bird back in the little balls. It is adorable. And then you could, and what's actually a really good idea is flip that over and look at that. It is really cool. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Bye.